Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, we will be encouraging our body to relax one part at a time. Start with your shoulders. Make sure they are completely relaxed and let them fall away from your ears. Adjust your head so that it is sitting comfortably at the top of your spine. Relax your eyes so that they are closed softly. Soften the muscles between your eyebrows. Let your cheeks and jaw feel heavy. Focus on your throat now. Imagine relaxing the muscles in your throat. Let the air pass through your throat easily. Now imagine what it might feel like to relax the muscles around your heart. Breathe deeply and relax the muscles in your belly. Focus on one of your arms now. Let it feel heavy, heavier, even more relaxed. And now the other arm, nice and heavy, heavier. Relax fully. Focus on one hand now. Soften all the muscles in this hand. Let it feel soft. And now the other hand. Relax and soften this hand fully. Focus on one leg now. Use your breath to relax it. Nice and heavy. And now the other leg. Breathe deeply. Make your leg heavy and soft. Now focus on the bottom of one of your feet. Let all the muscles here relax fully. Relax your foot. And now the other. Relax. Soften your foot. Relax it fully. Take a moment now to rest. and enjoy this relaxed feeling in your body. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.